Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Dill Dough is probably one of the most unique and surprisingly satisfying stress relief tools to hit the market, offering a tactile experience that's both amusing and therapeutic for anyone needing a moment of calm amidst the chaos of daily life. Number 5. Pinch Me Therapy Dough, Spa Scent. Escape to a tranquil spa day without the high cost. Enjoy the calming aroma that brings a sense of restful pampering right to you. You deserve this moment of peace. Find your calm with this squishable putty. It helps relieve stress by engaging your senses with its soothing scent, soft texture, and gentle color. Simply need to feel the difference. Refocus, rebalance, and restore your inner peace. As you need it, it helps ease tension and can even strengthen your hands. Just squeeze and let the stress melt away. Squeeze this pliable putty and feel your worries disappear. Its malleable texture and naturally calming scent make it a superior sensory experience. It's perfect for when you need a moment of quiet. This calming sensory dough acts as a thinking putty, helping to clear your mind of distractions. Use it for gentle hand exercise, natural relaxation, and a truly calming experience. What we like? Experience the tranquility of a spa day at home with this aromatherapy putty. Its soothing scent and texture are designed to help you find your center and rebalance. If you are looking for a holistic approach to stress relief that engages multiple senses, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. As a person that has ADHD, using the dough while watching television helps me to actually be able to retain my attention while sitting still. I use them while I'm at work if I get stressed or am struggling to focus. It helps to focus, something for your hands to do, and the smell is relaxing. The scent is what's addictive. I got spa and my body would now associate this smell with therapy. I would open the jar and my anxiety would go from a raging dissociative 10 to a level 2. Number 4. Dill Dough Stress Relief Putty. When life puts you in a pickle and you're feeling stressed, reach for this unique putty. It's designed to help you relieve that tension. Experience therapeutic bliss with this squishable putty. It has a delicious dill scent, making it a one-of-a-kind stress relief toy. Forget sweets when you're stressed. A relaxing session with this putty is far more invigorating. Squish your anxiety away with this green, dill-scented putty. Looking for a funny and unexpected gift? This is the best stocking stuffer for adults. It's weird, dilly, and sure to bring a smile. Designed to soothe away stress, simply squeeze and knead it in your hands. You'll feel so much better after releasing tension. What we like? When life throws you a pickle, this putty is here to help you deal with it. It offers a unique and hilarious way to relieve tension with its signature dill scent. If you're searching for a quirky and unexpected gift that's sure to bring a smile, this is the one. What people say. It's nice and soft and I play with it in my bedroom all the time. It smells great too and really makes the whole Dill Dough experience so much more enjoyable. It's also very stretchy, which is great for getting it to bend into new and exciting positions. The scent is spot on, and it's a cute novelty item. It will remind her of my shame every time I use it. Number 3. Gears Out Easter Bunny's Dill Dough Stress Putty. Feeling stressed? Reach for this special edition stress putty. It's designed to soak up light and help you squish your anxiety away with its brilliant green, dill-scented glow. Looking for a fun Easter basket stuffer? Skip the usual candy and surprise your friends and family with this hilarious putty. It's a gift that's sure to get a laugh. Experience therapeutic bliss with this squeezable stress putty. Enjoy the unique dill scent, and when the lights go out, the fun continues as it glows in the dark. This glow-in-the-dark putty is the ultimate Easter gift. It's goofy, unexpected, and guaranteed to bring a smile to anyone's face. A truly unique Easter surprise. Release tension by simply squeezing and kneading it in your hands. You'll feel so much better as you tease and tame this putty, melting away your stress. Even the Easter Bunny loves the stress reliever. It's the perfect way to unwind and de-stress, especially during the busy Easter season. What we like? Add a glowing twist to your stress relief routine with this special edition putty. It not only offers the therapeutic benefits of kneading but also provides a fun glow-in-the-dark experience. If you're looking for a unique Easter basket stuffer or a novelty gift with a playful surprise, this is an excellent option. What people say. Kids loved how it was dull-scented. It was pretty cool. I ordered this as a gift. She thought it was funny and couldn't wait to try and squeeze her dill dough to alleviate her stress. Super funny, and the package makes it funnier with the description LOL. Number 2. Gears Out Pink Dill Dough Stress Reliever. When womanhood has you tense and craving a stress reliever with your unique needs in mind, reach for this pink dill dough. Indulge in some sweet release all by yourself for guaranteed satisfaction. Capture the therapeutic essence of squishable, squeezable stress putty, while breathing in the delicious scent of real dill. This glow-in-the-dark putty is a wildly hilarious stress toy for adults. When you're stressed to the max, nothing is half as invigorating as a long, relaxing session with this pink dildo. Squeeze your anxiety away with a healthy dose of pink, glow-in-the-dark, dill-sprinkled stress putty. This pink dildo stress reliever putty is the best stocking stuffer for women and adults. It's a dill-filled surprise that is sure to deliver belly laughs at any occasion. Release tension as you loosen the putty by squeezing and kneading it in your hands. Tease it till you tame it and let that delicious relaxation bring back your bliss. What we like. Designed with a touch of feminine flair, this pink putty offers a glow-in-the-dark surprise for stress relief. It combines a fun, playful aesthetic with the satisfying sensation of kneading. If you appreciate a product that caters to a specific style and offers an extra element of fun in the dark, this is a great pick. What people say. Hilarious and a huge hit with a bunch of teenagers. The kids just think it pink putty that smells like a scratch and sniff pickle sticker. Great gift idea, especially for a white elephant gift exchange. Number 1. XL Dill Dough Glow-in-the-Dark Putty. Don't let the dark get you down. When stress hits at night, reach for this special putty. It's designed to help you release tension with its fun glow-in-the-dark feature. Experience therapeutic relief with this large, squishable putty. It has a unique aroma that makes stress relief even more satisfying. And when the lights go out, the fun really begins as it glows in the dark. Adulthood can be tough. When you need significant relief, nothing beats wrapping your hands around this giant, glowing putty. Knead and squeeze it until you feel completely relaxed and happy. Looking for a unique stocking stuffer for adults? This green putty is a delightful surprise that's sure to bring laughter. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves a good laugh. Designed specifically to melt away stress, this putty helps you release tension. Simply squeeze and knead it in your hands. You'll feel so much better after you've worked out all your worries. This isn't just any putty, it's an experience. It collects light and emits a satisfying glow, turning stressful nights into opportunities for fun and relaxation. What we like. When you need a major dose of stress relief, size truly does matter with this extra-large putty. It provides a substantial amount to knead and squeeze, enhanced by a glow-in-the-dark feature. If you're looking for a more substantial stress-relieving experience and enjoy the novelty of a larger, glowing toy, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Texture was amazing, smelled like a perfect dill pickle, and the quality has the best squish. Comes with a package of dried dill that you mix in. Dough is firm and similar feeling to Aaron's thinking putty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.